how he just is. You know, he's effortless. He's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him. He enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling Sir that Sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second Sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special.
मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, सबके अंदर एक कुबेर है. I think धनुष सर के अंदर जो कुबेर है वो versatility का है. You can never recognize him. You're like, who is this person? We don't know him.
See, Sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way. And he will be the Kubera of everything he does. And he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. है ना, sir? Yeah, sir.
Because we have limited time with Sir, वो actually shoot के बीच से आए हैं, and everyone here is, for them, every minute is money and Kubera. I'm going to take the opportunity to invite everyone on stage. As we know, we don't have. By the way, ये गाना जो आपने रश्मिका का देखा, वो आज शाम को YouTube पे release होगा, and you'll have it on Aditya Music. And so we
Also,
have from Aditya Music, Aditya
may,
with us.
If I just may add something, आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना? दो बार, हाँ, of course. But what I wanted to say about this Gana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100% with those kind of lyrics. Watch out.
Yeah.
Pakka,
you have to.
Right,
now I'm going to stop.
No, stay with us. Yes, Aditya ji, please join us on stage. Thank you for Aditya Music for having the music. Beautiful by DSP. Music बहुत बढ़िया है, guys. Make some noise. That makes the movie, yeah? We have the producer, Sunil Larang ji की तरफ से Janvi. Please come up on stage. Puskar Ram Mohan Rao ji. Co-producers, Mugafi se Manish Vashisht. And the founder and co-producer, Vipul Agarwal ji. Please join us on stage. Somebody who is the Kuber of eloquence. Probably one of the most well-spoken gentlemen who can probably be the spokesperson for this country. Dalip Tahil ji, please come up on stage. He had no clue I was talking about him, I think. And agar Swerve ki baat kare, तो इन पे जब पहली नजर पड़ी, we all knew we had a Kuber of talent. Jim Sarab, ladies and gentlemen, Jim, looking stunning in his dhoti. I think इस stage में ना जगह नहीं है, मैं थोड़ा नीचे आ जाती हूँ. All right? And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Kubera of charm, the Kubera of simplicity. Somebody said very well, the Arjuna of cinema itself. Nagarjuna sir, please. And may I add, you're looking so handsome. Woo! Some more noise, that's legacy on stage. इनको कोई इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत है? I think मेरा सौभाग्य है क्योंकि धनुष सर का बर्थडे मेरी माँ के साथ आता है और मुझे इनमें सिनेमा पूरी नजर आती है क्योंकि अगर सिंप्लिसिटी, वर्सेटैलिटी और स्टारडम तीनों एक इंसान में है तो वो आप में है. सर प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज. धनुष सर. डार्लिंग फैंस, थोड़ी सी शांति. ये जब हम लोग इतने बड़े स्टार में एक शाइनेस देखते हैं तो अलग फीलिंग आती है. May I please request the mic to be given to Dhanush sir, since he's actually taken a break and come here. Sir, आपसे क्या पूछूं? Yes, please. I'd encourage you to speak to them. They are here for you. I'll ask the question on their behalf.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Woo!
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம்.